All right, here I have a 2025 Cadillac CT5 with a 3.0 liter engine, and I was doing an oil change. And if you just want the quick information, it takes 5W30, and make sure it's a Dexos. It takes 6 quarts. The drain plug is a 15 millimeter. The drain plug torque is 18 foot-pounds, and then the oil filter is a PF63. That's an AC Delco, or if you want to get it from the dealer, that first number, that's the part number. Here at the top, you got your dipstick on the left, and then your oil cap on the right. And then down here, there's no shield or anything. The oil filter is right next to the oil drain plug, and they're kind of in the center of the car. And then when you fill up your engine, make sure that the oil level is in between those two lines, where all the hash marks. And to reset your oil life, you can turn on your ignition with the engine on. That's fine. Come over here, press the little home button. Come up here, vehicle status. Go to maintenance, and then go up to oil life. I pressed the wrong button, but up or to oil life, and then press reset again, and then that's it. So if you have any questions, just let me know and I'll try to help you out.